Guys, today we'll discuss sections of cone, conic sections. I wondered how this parabola, ellipse, hyperbola, etc. they were obtained by cutting a cone by a plane surface. We were told that planets revolve around the sun in elliptical orbits like this, or you see the mirror image like this. The moon revolves around the earth in a near circular orbit like this. The parabolas, they are trajectories of comets which come only once into the solar system, take a half round around the sun and go away forever. Or there are parabolas, or there are comets which come again and again at long intervals. So they revolve around the sun in very long elongated elliptical orbits. Still, there are other comets which come about very near the sun, they never take a half turn around the sun, and they are seen in the sky for some time and go away forever. So, today we'll discuss how this can be discussed in a high school class. Actually, I got the idea in a cremation ground after trying to explain to high school students for long 2 years. So let us go to that. We have drawn the cone like this, and we take a plane perpendicular to the screen, and this plane is parallel to u v or wv or wk, which is a generator of the cone, and a curve is generated ts t dash, where um, at the point S you set up a rectangular orthogonal coordinate system, Cartesian coordinate system, Sx and Sy, and let P be any other point of this curve of intersection. Uh, we have this Sx is parallel to Wv or Wk, and P is any point on this curve, so its coordinates are Sq and Qp. Sq and Qp are its xy coordinates, and produce this PQ to cut the curve again at R. Now drop a perpendicular from Q onto this axis of the cone uh, QC, and extend it to cut the cone again at V and backwards at U. So this is a circle. You can easily prove this RVPU is a circle. Now drop a perpendicular onto UQ from S, that is SL is perpendicular to UQ. If the semi-vertical angle of the cone is alpha, you can show that the triangle USL is similar to UWC, and so that this angle is alpha, USL is alpha. Similarly, triangle LSQ is similar to CWV, so this angle is also alpha. So this UQ is 2LQ, that means these two small triangles are congruent. and now QC is QC square plus y square is equal to r square, where r is the radius of this circle. PC is r, CB is r, and CU is r. So we have r square, y square plus QC square. Y square plus QC square is equal to r square, or QC is UC minus 2LQ. So sorry, UC minus yes, 2LQ or 2UL, whatever you say. Uh, uh, y square plus UC minus 2UL whole square is UC square, or y square plus what is this UL? UL is or LQ. LQ is x sine alpha. So ultimately, after simplifying, you get y square is equal to x plus t whole square sine alpha, where t is ws. Y square is equal to x plus t whole square sine alpha sine square alpha minus t minus x whole square sine square alpha is equal to 4xt sine square alpha. You put t sine square alpha is a constant a. So this is y square is equal to 4ax. That is the standard equation of a parabola.